my wages and send my son to Vietnam. Give me a second-class housing, second-class schools. Do you think that all colored folks are just second-class fools? So Mr. Backlash, I'm gonna leave you backlash. When I try to get a job, to earn a little cash, when I try to get a job, to earn a little cash, all you got to offer me is your mean old wild backlash. But I say, the earth is big, right and round, and it's full of folks like me who are black, yellow, and brown. Mr. Backlash, I'm gonna leave you with the backlash blues. Yeah. I'm gonna leave you with this backlash blues. Oh, you're the one that's gonna have the blues, not me. Just you wait and see. Yeah, I said you're the one that's gonna have the blues, and not me. Just you wait and see. When I try to get a job, earn a little cash. Y'all know what cash is, right? All you wanna do is come behind me with your wild backlash. And I said, the world is big, right around, and it's full of folks like me, black, yellow, beige, and brown. Mr. Backlash.